Hi everyone, this is me K. Shanmugapriya studying in Srinivasa Ramanujan Institute of Technology. Today my topic in Introduction to Programming is recursion. Recursive function. A recursive function performs the task by dividing it into the subtasks. There is a termination condition defined in the function, which is satisfied by some specific subtasks. After this, the recursion stops and the final result is turned from the function. Recursion will repeat until it reaches the base value. It will be continuously performing. Next, we can see here the case at which the function doesn't recur is the base value where the intestines, where the functions keep calling itself to perform a task is called the recursive case. All the recursive functions can be written using this format where void recurse and recurse main, int main, open and close bracket and recurse 0. Where here we can see that until it reaches the base value, it will be continuously calling by itself. Recursion is a function which keeps continuously calling by itself. Next. Pseudocode for writing any recursive function. First, the if condition is given, test for the base value, and next it returns some base value. If it is not done, next it goes to, if the if condition is false, it goes to else if, test for another base. If the return some value, if it is also false, then it goes to else. Then the statement will be true and again recursive will be called. Here you can observe that if and else conditions were there, the recursion producer is formed at the else condition and in the if condition we will find the base value. If we will find the base value there, then the calling of the function will be stopped. If there will be not founded, it will call again and again until it reaches its base value. Next, why do we need recursion in C? One can't apply recursion on any problem. It is mainly beneficial for those tasks that can get defined with similar types of subtasks. For intestine, a programmer can apply recursion on searching, sorting, and even traversal problems. Keep in mind that the interview solutions are comparatively much more efficient than the recursion. It is because the function call is overhead almost all the time. Thus, if we can solve any problem recursively, then we can also solve it iteratively. Yet, some of the problems are better solved recursively in a program. For example, we can take the Fibonacci series, Tower of Orchid, factorial finding. All these things are, we found all these things in the recursion. All in these examples, we can see the recursion. The example in the recursion is the Fibonacci series. In the Fibonacci, let us observe the example here. In this recursion, we can observe the stack. The stack is nothing but, and one side it is open and the other side it is closed. And the first thing will enter into the last and the last one will be at the first. Okay. Now include stdio is a header file and next it is an declaration, function declaration, and int is an data return type and it is a variable name and it declares the type of variable it contains in the actual arguments. Next, the function, everything starts from the main function and here n and f are declared as integer type. Two variables are declared of integer type. And the printf, enter the value of n. And here we have to enter the value of n and the scanf was being given. And in the 8th line, f equal to Fibonacci n and here the function call is happening So from the 8th line, it goes to the 11th line. It is a function declaration. By seeing this, we can know that it is a return type and the variable name. These are known as format parameters. Here, if condition, if n is equals to 0, it will be there. It will return to 0. So here we can take as n as 4. Then n is not 4 not equals to 0. N mean 4 is not equals to 0. So the condition is false. It goes to another one. Else 4 is not equals to 1. So the condition is false. It goes to else block. Here the function here it forms 4 minus 1 3 plus 4 minus 2 2. Again the function reforms, again the function recalls, again it will do it, and again and again the fourth function will become 3 2 1 in the way we can observe in the below ppt above ppt diagram. And by this the factorization of 4 had been come, and there will be output here. The 4 factorial it becomes to 3, and 3 will again divide into 2, 2 will again divide into 1, and again 1. And again the 1 value returns to upper block, and here the 2 value returns to here. Again it returns a 6 value, again 6 4s are 24, it returns here, and we'll get the output as 24 here. And this is how the recursion works, and the example of a Fibonacci series, and finding the factorization of the any number. And thank you.